something we already knew, but if you're one of those people who doesn't believe anything until you see it in writing, well, it's announced now that Pierce Brown has joined the Star Racing Yamaha 250 side of things with a quote saying, "I'm stoked to be part of such a successful team. We're going to get to work and come out swinging next year." Now, obviously, this comes after his first career win at the finale of SMX in Las Vegas, which took him to third overall in the 250 MX standing. So, not a bad finish for him. First win, pretty high up there. Probably some pretty good bonus money when you consider the win, the team bonus, whatever else sponsored bonuses he got. Obviously, this is taking him or moving him from Gas or Troy Lee designed Gas over to Star Racing, which you gotta say is not a bad lateral move. You're going from a pretty good team, but one I think that's gone now? Question mark. Someone comment down below. Tell me if that's actually happening. I don't know. To arguably one of the best ever 250 teams. I mean, you got to say that Star Racing, at least right now, is got to be up there with the Geico Honda and the mid 2000 pro circuits. Uh, Jensen Hendler, the Star Racing or Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing Energy. Sorry, let me start that again. Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing 250 team manager. That's a mouthful right there. Said, quote, "We're excited to have Pierce join the team. I think his personality and work ethic will fit right in here and take him to the next level. We're looking forward to seeing what he can conquer in 2025." Now, as far as I'm reading, as far as I can find, whatever, this is only a 2025 contract. This is, for the SMX season, whatever you want to call it now. So Supercross, Motocross, and the playoffs. It sounds like this is a prove yourself deal. At 22, he's not super old, but it's kind of one of those things that we're throwing you onto one of the best teams, onto one of the best 250 bikes possible. Prove it. We'll give you a 1 year contract. Show us that you're worth it. Maybe take some wins, go for some podiums, be up there in the championship contention, and see where it goes from there. Hopefully, he does well. I'd like to see him do well. You never want to see somebody move over and just fall on their face, but I don't know. Comments below. You guys tell me. Do you think this is a good move from Star Racing to sign him? Do you think I mean, obviously for him, it's a good move. We're not going to go there, but how well do you think he does? What do you think this year holds? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.